Fear, it's the biggest enemy of success. Napoleon Hill said, the 6 basic fears, poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death, control millions of people. But the truth is, fear is nothing more than a state of mind. Think about it, most fears never actually happen. Yet, they paralyze us from taking action. Many people never start a business, never chase their dreams, never speak their truth, because fear whispers, what if you fail? What will people say? Napoleon Hill studied hundreds of successful people, and he found they all had one thing in common. They faced fear head-on and acted in spite of it. Fear disappears when you move toward it. The more you act, the smaller it becomes. Replace fear with faith. Replace doubt with desire. Whenever you feel stuck, remind yourself, fear is just an illusion, but faith creates reality. Every time you choose courage over fear, you take a step closer to your dream. Napoleon Hill said, do the thing you fear, and the death of fear is certain. Don't let fear control your life. Let faith lead you, and success will follow. Backhand index pointing right. If this message gave you strength, hit like. Speech balloon comment below. What fear are you ready to conquer? Upright arrow share this video with someone who needs courage. Bell and subscribe for more wisdom from Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich.